Solve the Critical Process Died BSoD error in Windows 11. In the next 10 seconds, learn effective fixes to address this issue and restore stability to your system. Press Windows key plus X and select Windows Terminal, Admin. Now run the following command: SFC/scano, wait for the scan to finish, restart your PC, and check if the problem is still there. If the issue still appears, start the terminal again and run the following commands: dism/online/cleanupimage /checkhealthdism/online /cleanupimage/scanhealthdism/online /cleanupimage/restorehealth. Press Windows key plus X and choose Device Manager from the list. Locate the driver that is causing you trouble and right-click it. Choose Uninstall Device from the menu. Now select Uninstall to confirm. Once the driver is removed, restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved. Open the Start menu and select Settings. Go to the Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Run a couple of troubleshooters and check if they manage to fix the problem. Press Windows key plus R and enter appwiz.cpl. Click OK. Go to View Installed Updates. Double-click the update you want to remove. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.